Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a teeth hygiene routine picture with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by taking my black marker and drawing the outline of the tooth. And here is the outline of a cartoon eye. I draw one big circle and then two small circles to make the eye. Now I am making a mouth with a happy smile. And now I color in the eye with the black marker. That tooth looks so happy. He must be nice and healthy and clean. On to drawing the toothbrush. Here is the handle in the groove where your hand would go to hold it when you're brushing your teeth. I am adding some fun shapes, a circle and a star. What do you think this might be? I will give you a hint. It is the last thing we need to put onto our toothbrush to brush our teeth. That's right, it is toothpaste. I am adding another fun shape here on the toothpaste. It is a flower. And for some decoration for the packaging, I am taking my thick black marker now and I am going over the outline of my drawing. This will help my drawing to stand out. First, I start with the tooth. Second is the toothbrush. And third is the toothpaste. That's the outline done. It's important to brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. We need to brush in big circles and back and forward too. Now onto painting my picture. I am painting the mouth. I am using a red color. Painting the tongue, I am using a pink color. Now for the toothbrush, I am painting the outside of the brush and the circle in the pink color. I am painting the brush on the toothbrush in a yellow color. And the star too. Now to paint the rest of the toothbrush, I am using a blue color. Onto the toothpaste, I am using a pink color. I am painting some of the packaging of the toothpaste and the flower in a red color. Now for the rest of the packaging of the toothpaste and the flower, I am using orange, green, blue, and yellow. The outline. And that's it. I'm all done. Do you like it? Keep cleaning your teeth, everyone, twice a day and clean every single tooth. Make sure to subscribe and get in touch by letting me know what drawings you would like to see me do. Check out my hand washing routine video. See you next time.